Can Meghalaya turn the fixture around? Goes for a shot, and what a stunner! Absolutely magical there from Sheen. And that celebration says it all. And Punjab's hopes have been shut down with that last-minute strike. And Harjinder Singh doesn't know what has struck his team. All the celebrations from his idols coming in, and that finish somewhat blessed. Well, would love to see a replay of that, of course. Look at that again. Dunbach with the assist with his left. A glorious moving beauty with his left. And perfect finish. And Meghalaya have turned it around from being 1-0 down. Beautifully done. To the side netting, of course, inside the net. And no chance. Can't be more precise. And all the hard work. It's Sheen, Stevenson, Shaktung. But there's still time. Few more minutes to be added on. Can Punjab equalize? We're into the 92nd minute. How much time will be added on is a question. And will Meghalaya sit back? Because once you sit back, it means you're inviting attacks here from Punjab. 3 minutes have been added on. One has been done already. So we'll see the clock running to the 94th minute. And Meghalaya should probably try and control things instead of sitting back and defend.